Star Wars Wookiee Cookie Coffee.
This is from the Bones Coffee Company. It is described as a chocolate chip cookie flavored coffee. We're gonna brew up a cup, taste it, see how it is. On the back here it says, "Smell me, squeeze and sniff." So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I mean it definitely smells like, it smells pretty sweet. It smells a little bit like maybe like an overdone chocolate chip cookie mixed with coffee. Anyway, it comes ground. It's a medium roast. It's 100% Arabica coffee and natural and artificial flavors. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. It smells. It smells. You know. It smells fresher inside once you get inside the packaging. Let's brew up a cup. Okay, I got my Ninja coffee maker here. I'm gonna make a single cup. Okay, here we have a hot cup of Wookiee cookie coffee from Bones Coffee. I'm gonna drink it first, just black. All right, it's super hot. It's just been brewed, so wish me luck. Here we go, Wookiee cookie coffee. I'm gonna add some half and half, not too much. Okay, here we go. This is Bones Coffee, Wookiee cookie coffee with some half and half. I mean, it definitely tastes, it doesn't taste bad. It tastes like coffee, but does it taste like chocolate chip cookies? That's the question, because a lot of coffee tastes like coffee. But does this coffee that is advertised as chocolate chip cookie flavor, does it taste like chocolate chip cookies? I really don't know. It tastes like something. Like I said, it's not bad. It really isn't bad. Like I'm enjoying, with the addition of the half and half, I'm definitely enjoying it. It definitely tastes like coffee. Does it taste like, I don't feel like it tastes like chocolate chip cookies. I'm definitely getting something besides coffee. I feel like at the end of the day, or at the beginning of the day, it's not something I would reach for again. It is a little expensive, about 19 bucks for a bag, which is expensive. I mean, it's fun. It's fun that it says Wookiee cookie on it. Anyway, if you want to try it, which you totally should, because again, it's not bad. I'm honestly not getting chocolate chip cookie from it. I'm getting notes of something else, but I don't know what it is. It feels a little bit like over. If it was chocolate chip cookie at all, it tastes a little bit like over-baked chocolate chip cookie. On a rating of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I'm gonna put it at a 4. I wouldn't drink it again. I'll be totally honest with you. This is not what I would reach for again, but I also don't drink flavored coffees at home. So maybe I'm biased in that way. If you do drink flavored coffees and that's the kind of thing that you like, that's awesome. And you may really enjoy this. There's a link in the show notes where you can buy it, and let me know in the comments what you think about it. And enjoy your cup of Wookiee cookie coffee. If you like this video, please hit the like button and follow me for more nerd food adventures. This is Ryan from Fandom Feast. We'll talk to you on the next one.